Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children. I'm in Berlin today for a DDF Summit and I'm delighted to catch up with Mark Macdonald from Codis. So tell us more about Codis, who they are, what they do and what makes them unique and different. So Mark, it's lovely to see you. How are you first of all?
Yeah, very good, very good. Thanks for spending some time with us today. It's great to see you.
Well, it's lovely to see you, my friend. Now, before we talk about Codis though, how's the event gone so far?
Do you know, the event's been absolutely fantastic. It's one of the key events that we go to each year. It's really down our street in terms of spray drying, amorphous solid dispersions. It's been a really hot topic for 3 of the week so far. So great to connect with past colleagues, future customers, some existing customers as well, and just see how everyone's doing. So really good few days so far.
Brilliant. Now, for people not familiar with Codis though, can you give viewers a quick overview of who you are as a company and what you do?
Yeah, so Codis might not be known to everyone. We're a relatively new name in the industry, so we were launched in October last year as a new branded name. But the site's been long-standing in the industry, so we've got a couple of sites in Central North America, and we've got a site in the UK near Cambridge. So all sort of long-standing pharmaceutical sites, been commercial manufacturing for a long period of time. So we've got some functional products that we sell out of our US capabilities, some API products in the UK, and really looking to build out our amorphous solid dispersion capability in spray drying in particular. So something we started in the UK 6 or 7 years ago, and we're investing in at the moment heavily as well. So to be able to offer that complete package from R&D and development scale up right through to full scale commercial manufacturing.
Brilliant. Now, so this week in Berlin, what are you specifically looking to get over to delegates?
Yeah, so I think one of the things we've really seen as a theme through the conference is amorphous solid dispersions. We see a lot of new compounds coming through into the market with solubility challenges, bioavailability challenges, and one of the key areas for the industry generally is how do we turn them into viable medicines that can treat unmet needs in patients worldwide. So there are a number of different technologies that can be applied to help support that solubility and bioavailability challenge, but where Codis really excels is in the spray drying application. So using spray drying as a technology platform to generate amorphous forms of compounds which can then ultimately work better in the body. It's a really fantastic technology as well, as it's very robust, well understood in the industry, and with the offering we have at Codis, scalable as well. So we're able to bring compounds on at quite early stages, take those through the clinical pathway, and then ultimately launch and generate commercial products as well.
Brilliant. Now, I know you've got a poster here this week as well. So what's the poster about?
Yeah, so the poster focuses on something, again, we've been building for a while in terms of our modeling and onboarding capability. So when we're working with partners, certainly in that early development space and bringing in new clinical compounds, often time is of the essence. It's really critical to get to clinical studies quickly, but also API and starting materials is not only expensive, but also in short supply. So it's something we've really focused a lot of time on with our internal R&D expertise to build some modeling packages so that we can take data that might already exist around the process from smaller scale work, or that we develop on site ourselves, and then really use that to get into the larger machines, certainly with a degree of confidence, reduced risk, and often faster, sort of more efficient way of onboarding. So the poster really focuses on some of the key benefits of using that modeling approach, not just from a time and cost perspective, but solvent saving, better for the environment as well.
Brilliant. Now, one final question for you. As you said, Codis is a relatively new company, but what makes you unique and different? Why should people work with Codis rather than some of the other companies out there?
Yeah, I think Codis is really uniquely positioned in terms of the legacy of the site. So the sites have been long-standing, as I mentioned earlier, in the pharmaceutical industry. So we have that really strong background from a quality perspective, environmental performance perspective. We've done huge amounts of work over time in terms of carbon reduction, solvent recycling, water recycling. So we have a lot of this real strong background from our historical activities, but really now coupling that with a more entrepreneurial mindset, smaller, more agile organization, and with some of the investment we've been putting into the site in the UK already, building larger commercial spray drying capability for the amorphous solid dispersions. We feel that's a real differentiator in the market, and coming to conferences like this, something we certainly see as needed as more and more compounds are going through that bioavailability challenge.
Brilliant. So there you go, viewers. Sadly, by the time you watch this, DDF Summit will have finished. However, you can meet Mark and the rest of the team at many other events across Europe and the rest of the world. But also you can connect with them on LinkedIn, go to their website and learn more as well. So Mark, it's lovely to see you. Enjoy your time in Berlin. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.